In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your laptop to like new again. So if you want to go and reset your laptop so it was like when you first purchased it out of the shop, then what we need to do is open up the Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on System, scroll down and select Recovery, and next to Reset this PC, click on Reset PC. Now, you're going to have two different options. You can either select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Now, as the name suggests, if you click on Remove Everything, this will delete all of your personal data, including all of your files and applications. Alternatively, we can select Keep My Files, and this will keep all of your personal information like your photos and documents, but it will still delete all of your applications and data. So because I still want to keep my personal files, I'm going to click on Keep My Files, but if you want to go and remove everything from your computer, you can also click Remove Everything. So now you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can either click Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I'd recommend selecting Local Reinstall as this is slightly quicker. You can also click on Change Settings, and this will give you a couple more options of resetting your computer. We can then click on Next, give that a couple of moments while it prepares to reset your computer, and as you can see, this will change all of your Windows settings back to their original defaults. It will keep all of your personal files as long as you've selected Keep My Files, and it will reinstall your Windows operating system, and it will remove all your applications and programs. So you can click on View Apps that will be removed, and you'll be able to see a full list of all of the applications that will be removed from your system. So once you're ready, you can just go and press reset. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.